It's a privilege to be able to really know your communities, really intimately understand them, speak their language, and be a trusted source. Asian Health Services serves patients in 14 Asian languages, in person, face-to-face, and on the telephone as well. And it's really that in-person language access that really sets us apart.
It's not just language and interpretation and translation. It's really about being culturally competent, about understanding what the history is for these patients, what their needs are, and being able to support them as a cultural broker.
When the pandemic hit, our patients went underground. They didn't show up for their appointments. They were too scared. When things first started, the services that are available were only in English. So if you couldn't read in English or even have access to internet, you were shut out of those services to get testing, to have access to all the things that we would need to get through the pandemic. We knew that this was our time to step up and be that safety net in addition to primary care services, providing services for testing, for contact tracing, for vaccinations.
When the vaccine came up, we were able to move quickly, opening up our clinic overnight. I think we're close to providing 25,000 vaccinations.
What we saw during COVID was that our population had experienced high case fatality rates and hospitalizations, but all of the suffering was rendered invisible.
And then at the same time, the narrative out there was so much around us causing the virus, which we know isn't true, but yet it was this double standard that we were facing, that we were both blamed and ignored for services.
Our mission is dual. It's about services and advocacy, and they go hand in hand. And that is what we really strive to do, is to make sure that all of our patients, that they're able to assert their right to health care.
Asian Health Services has truly been a lifeline for our patients and the larger community.
It's been such an honor to be able to utilize my skills and my language and my education to give back to the community.